Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're diving into SimpleSwap.io, a cryptocurrency exchange platform designed for, well, simple swaps. Located at SimpleSwap.io, this service offers a streamlined approach to exchanging one cryptocurrency for another without the need for registration or account creation. This is particularly appealing for users prioritizing privacy and speed. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners venturing into the world of crypto. You simply select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange, input the amount, provide the receiving wallet address for the desired cryptocurrency, and initiate the swap. SimpleSwap handles the behind-the-scenes complexities, making the entire process remarkably straightforward. While the platform boasts a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, it's always wise to double-check that your specific coins are supported before proceeding. One thing to be mindful of are the exchange rates, which are dynamically adjusted based on market fluctuations. Be sure to review the offered rate and any associated fees before confirming your transaction. This platform stands out for its speed, often completing transactions within minutes, though this can vary depending on network congestion and the specific cryptocurrencies involved. Security is always a concern in the crypto space, and while SimpleSwap doesn't require account creation, thereby minimizing the risk of data breaches, it's crucial to ensure you're interacting with a legitimate website, SimpleSwap.io, to avoid phishing scams. As always, practice safe browsing habits. Another advantage of SimpleSwap is its fixed-rate exchanges. This means the rate you see at the start of the transaction is the rate you'll receive, eliminating the uncertainty that can accompany fluctuating rates on other platforms. However, this also means it's essential to compare rates across different exchanges to ensure you're getting the best deal. Overall, SimpleSwap.io provides a convenient and user-friendly experience for quick cryptocurrency exchanges. It's particularly well-suited for users seeking a no-frills, fast, and relatively private way to swap their digital assets. Remember to always do your own research and exercise caution when engaging in any cryptocurrency transactions.